MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Norristown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. How do I choose the right HVAC system? The purpose of picking the correct HVAC system should be to keep your house at a comfortable temperature even if it costs more. While you should choose an HVAC unit based on your budget, also consider energy efficiency and longevity. Are Rheem air conditioners good? Rheem air conditioners have better customer ratings than comparable models. These budget-friendly solutions are durable and energy efficient. What is your service area for the Norristown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Norristown, Fairview Village, Worcester, Eagleville, East Norriton, West Norriton, Audubon, Bridgeport, Center Square, Blue Bell, Broad Axe, Lafayette Hill, Conshohocken, King of Prussia, Arcola, Yerkes, Worcester, Jeffersonville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Norristown, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 204 DeKalb St. Norristown, Pennsylvania 19401. Our phone number is 610-672-3056. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/DeKalb-ST-Norristown-HVAC-service.